if you accept English language, you have to passion, you have to practice regularly, you have to polish English regularly. After that, it will be easy to you, easy to everyone. That's why I think if you or another student want to be a good English speaker, he or she has to maintain this type of system. I go to coaching center, I learn something from coaching center. After coming to coaching center, I can teach my familiar, my younger brother, nephew or sister. I can practice them. That's if you continue this type of process, you will be a good English speaker one day or other. But students go to coaching center, they try to learn center. After coming to, they can't practice. But we have to practice more and more. Same sentence, same words, same structure. Again and again, again and again. After that it will be, it can be thousands time. Because when I learned new sentences like infinitive, to do, করতে করার করা করে করার জন্য, doing করিয়া করে করা করতে করতে, doing by doing, having done, করিয়া করে, oh my god. When I try to learn this type of system, hundred and thousands time, I try to practice this type of system. After that, it has been easy for me. After that, first of all, I can't speak. Going jaiya je jawa jete jete. Oh my god, being it's very difficult. But as usual, coaching center they don't teach you this type of system. Like I ami amar amake, we amra amader amaderke, you tumi tomar tomake. But I know I ami, we amra, you tumi, you tomra. But when I learn one to one or in one teacher, I don't want to mention his name. He is a very much renowned in our country. He tries to teach me well. I am we amra, what ki, what ja, when kokon, when jokon, to do korte korar kora kore, doing koriya kore kora korte korte, coaching center. No, they don't teach you this type of system. Just they try to teach you subject, verb, agreement.